Holy cow. It is bright out here. I am testing out my iPhone 17. I moved from the 12 to the 17, and I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and I'm enjoying it, but I've not really explored the camera too much. And I saw this dual capture option here. I'm seeing that I'm able to pause the video too, so I'm capturing my image here. I think I can on the fly make it a vertical, but I don't know. I'm also capturing here on my GoPro Hero 8 on my chesty another camera that and setup that I've just acquired. Yeah, so I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Black here on my chest with the chesty. I've never tried that before, and because that iPhone 12 Pro that I had was always running out of juice and space. I think they do that on purpose, man, but I don't know. Don't quote me. I actually don't know that, but they've been pushing for me to get the upgrade, and as soon as that started to happen, as soon as I started to really love using it, it started to go bad on me. But take a look at this shot. I'm using so I'm obviously using my selfie camera, right? And the only way to activate this dual camera is to start in selfie mode and then use the front-facing camera. And look at that, guys. I might take a pic of that. And that's one of the other things. You can take a pic. Wow. You're filming, which is pretty good. I wonder if I can maybe zoom in. But we just had a snowstorm, as you can see. Nobody's walked, no rehearsing here. No footsteps. But that's the down tree. This is from last year, actually. But I'm going to go ahead and put footprint in the ground now. This is pretty neat. I've never had this selfie dual camera on setup. Man, that's beautiful, guys. Let me take some video here. I guess it's triple camera, right? Because I've got the GoPro. This is going to look great. I'm going to take some shots here, but look at how fantastic that looks. Yeah, I'll tell you, it looks really great with this screen here at iPhone 17. Let's go up the other tree here. Look at all this stuff here. Like I said, it's not quite been a month here with the iPhone 17, at least for me. And I am really enjoying it so far. Got quite a bit of use out of it, and in terms of the different apps that were crashing my iPhone 12, able to use it. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't explored the video quality, picture quality, photo quality, and all the capabilities that it says that it can do. Not done that yet, but isn't that great? Just kind of take you through here. I love this dual picture feature. It's really helpful. But yeah, this is the iPhone 17. It's the regular one, right? It's not the Pro Max deal where it's super, wow, something's gone through here. But it's not the Pro Max. It's not the, anything, fancy, I guess. You usually have different, 3 versions. This is just the straight out of the box, normal, regular iPhone 17. And I'll tell you, this looks great. I don't think you'll need to upgrade, and I think that they paid attention with you know, folks like me who create content, who want to make videos, right? Not just make calls. And this is a light version of that. So I like how I like where they're going. They're leaning into that here. And the what do we got? We got 4K 24, 4K 30, I believe. Right now I'm shooting in 4K 24 and coming up on 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Look at this view. Look at this picture. This is, I'm not going to enhance it. I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. All right. Thanks for joining me. This is the iPhone 17 regular or the basic. And to me, it is equivalent to the Pro Maxes of the past. Right now, plenty of deals going on. So I'm not sponsored by Verizon or Apple or anything like that, but you know, I got one. I'm happy with it. You should too. So anyhow, that's it for now, guys. Bye for now.